How to remove bird shit stain. Spray with muriatic acid. Let sit for, I don't know, 3 seconds. Wipe with a sponge or whatever you have. Rinse. Bird shit gone. Just like that. There you have it.